This tutorial shows you how to use password field. When you develop login system for password, you should be able to use non-visible characters, looks like a star or asterisk. Make sure you add the package name in front of fxml documents. I will remove label, then I will create two new labels and one text field for username, and then one password field for password. Password field, I will use the prefix called pf. Let me create object name for labels, even though we are not going to use it. It might be a good practice to label all objects. So I will say LBL username and LBL password. Text field I call TF username. Password field I call it as a PF password. Let's make a new controller. Getting input data from text field is straightforward. We use the method called getText. For password field, actually we use the exactly same method name. So we can use getText. Both of them returns string value, so there's no need to do any typecasting. So username, you can see I'm typing my name. Then password, you won't be able to see that, but when you add to text area, you should be able to see username, password. So let me try one more time. Okay, I think that's all for this tutorial.